Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2011 Ford E series. We changed the computer because we have a code P0605 or 606 internal. I program it right now. We finished the programming. The computer like this. We changed the cluster also because it's blinking fast. We changed the computer right now and we finish with the programming, but you're gonna see that the security also, this key is metal key. Still we need to do it. On va faire ça. Okay, now we're gonna go back here. I finished programming. I'm gonna go to BCM, security, functions, and parameter. We're gonna do security. Why we do security? The engine computer and the body control module must be married together. You say we need keys. So okay, be sure you have a good battery, and here it will ask you to click OK. You're gonna wait for what it say, and then ignition is on. My key is on. Yes. Now click OK. It say take 10 minutes. I have no problem with 10 minutes. I wait. So now counting of 10 minutes, 600 seconds start. And we're gonna wait a little bit till it finish. The problem for here, I'm using VCI2. This is one of the computer. This is one cluster. Maybe the cluster is bad, maybe the computer is bad. Sometimes it's blinking fast, it works, sometimes it's not. They put one of those cluster with the computer together, the car start, but we have some other codes. We need to eliminate that code. We're gonna go through programming. This is 10 minutes. I don't want to move a lot, or maybe I'm gonna move slowly, and I will come back after 10 minutes to do the configuration. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you in another video, and I really appreciate your support. Okay, still we are going. I have a couple of seconds left for the security. After that, we're gonna diagnose the car to see what code we have. I want to see if the blinking will come or not. Okay, you want to check my username? Go to best BST, best car fixes, FIXES. That's it, the first line. Yes. This is the square head guy.
It's you?
Yeah, click on the picture, or you want to. No, the bottom, that's not me. No, you go in another place. You're supposed to. This one. Then go here. This is my channel. This is my videos. Please subscribe, share, and like those all my videos.
I didn't see what it likes.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, here we're done. Click next. Security guarantee. Parameter reset. By the way, there is no, you say you need 2 keys. It's not true. Successful. Exit. Okay, I'm gonna come here, turn the key off. Here I'm gonna go again to the diagnose here. Self-test. I'm gonna start the car first. Okay. My car is start. I changed the whole computer. Now I'm gonna run a test only on engine computer, or all of it. No, just engine computer is good.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
I bring my.
Okay. RTC. I try to do it one. Okay, we are reading continuous quotes, and then we see what happened. I have okay RCM, all these codes that before, this is not new codes. Okay, so let me try to clear them. I want to clear all the code, then we come back. I did everything here. Okay, now I don't see any codes, but I see catalytic code, cylinder number 7 misfire, catalytic code, EGR code, EGR code, manifold absolute pressure code. So we have about 5-6 code that's in there. But I don't have 608. I don't have 608. Yes. All this code that you have, let me check it with this one. I did not pass, but they say pass, but here permanent. He said do not diagnose. Maybe it's there, or maybe they come, or maybe wiring, because those 3 of them in one time, maybe something else. Maybe wiring problem.
Wiring?
Who knows? So you cannot get all this in one time, and they keep coming right away.
I have no check engine.
But I'm gonna check with this one. Sometimes that's very sensitive.
Yeah, this one is a simple.
But right now it's passed. There is no code. Maybe this is only do not diagnose. He said don't diagnose it. Read code. Let me read it now. Read the code. Sometimes it's just store or pending. Port, you see?
Catalytic
Port 30. Cylinder number 7 misfire. 420. Catalytic. Exhaust gas. Exhaust gas. Manifold absolute. You have this code.
Manifold what?
Manifold absolute pressure.
So no pressure. Maybe I disconnected over the piles.
I don't know, but exhaust gas, gas recirculation, manifold absolute pressure, this all could be together on the EGR. Catalytic system, cylinder number 7, 420. Yeah.
Okay, cylinder number 7.
Yeah. Same.
Okay, let him work right now. As long as.
As long as that 605 is not there.
Huh? Yeah. As long as I'm gonna start it and
let me see. Let me see when they say that cylinder number 7 misfire. I'm gonna show you here. Power train. Power misfire test. You see here. Say okay. I don't need this. Oh, I disconnect this. Sorry.
I can put it in.
That's okay. Start the engine. Because the engine is not a start. I'm gonna wait a little bit. They say cylinder number 7 misfire. I want to see if it's really misfire or not.
Doesn't look like.
Yeah, it looked like a little bit, but number 3 misfire more than 7. Okay, maybe sometimes just it's sitting there. Number 3. Okay, let's go down a little bit. I can't see anything. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this is just for today around vehicles and cars.